Hi, one of my favorite things, a little wee plant called horned pansy. It is this beautiful little plant that has these little purple blue flowers with a little yellow center. And they are just, they just sit here and bloom and they don't ask for much. So I have mine in a little basket, but they are also great as a ground cover. They are extremely hardy and very tolerant to cold. And this little guy is a Spain native. So he came one day way back when he started his life in Spain. So one of these things, if you have few or no blooms, because you should have all kinds of blooms like this, and if you don't have that, then it's not getting enough sunlight. So just put it in a sunnier location. And it likes to bloom in cool weather, and it has this beautiful light fragrance. This little guy grows best in a moist soil in the sun or partial shade. So one of my favorite things, horned pansy. They are awesome. You have a great day.